Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of building healthy habits. Habits play a crucial role in shaping our lives, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to kickstart a healthier and happier you. Let's get started. 1. Understanding habits. First, let's understand what habits are. Habits are automatic behaviors that we do without much thought. They can either be positive, like exercising regularly, or negative, like binge-watching TV instead of going to bed early. Recognizing this distinction is the first step towards building healthier habits. 2. Identifying your goals. What healthy habits do you want to incorporate into your life? Identifying clear and achievable goals is essential. Whether it's eating better, exercising more, or getting enough sleep, knowing what you want to achieve will give your habits a purpose. 3. Start small. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start small and gradually work your way up. Let's say you want to start a regular workout routine. Begin with a 15-minute walk every morning, and gradually increase the intensity and duration. Starting small sets you up for success. 4. Creating a routine. Consistency is key to forming habits. Establish a daily or weekly routine that includes your new healthy habit. Consistency helps reinforce the behavior and makes it easier to stick with over time. 5. Accountability and support. Don't go on this journey alone. Share your goals with friends, family, or join a community with similar aspiration. Having accountability and support can keep you motivated and make the process more enjoyable. 6. Overcoming obstacles. Building healthy habits isn't always a smooth ride. There will be challenges along the way, and that's okay. Identify potential obstacles and plan strategies to overcome them. Remember, a stumble doesn't mean failure. It's an opportunity to learn and grow. 7. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress will keep you motivated and reinforce your commitment to building those healthy habits. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and tools to build healthy habits that will transform your life. Remember, it's all about taking small steps, staying consistent, and being kind to yourself throughout the process. You've got this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.